As a person who is Looksmaxxing, it's always been a dream to find someone who is a beginner Looksmaxxer like you, so you'll never be alone in your journey ever again. Here are 5 signs that someone is a beginner Looksmaxxer. 1. Faking confidence. If you see someone who is faking confidence and trying to talk to everyone, this is a strong sign that he is Looksmaxxing, starting his self-improvement journey. Especially if he was a former introvert and suddenly started talking, that means he is faking confidence and soon he'll become a confident mogger. 2. Style change. Clothing and style makes you a mogger Chad. So someone who is upgrading his wardrobe and starting to wear unusual clothing means he is trying to improve his fashion sense. This is a big sign someone is Looksmaxxing. Clothing makes you stand out in the crowd, so this essential step is not easy to disguise. 3. Change in body and body language. 90% of Looksmaxxers I know started their journey with gym. Gym is the only thing that can make your body language change super fast and make you look aesthetic and confident. If you spot a sudden change in someone's body language and consistency in gym, it means he's definitely into Looksmaxxing. 4. Less interactions. If a friend of yours has started to avoid hangouts and disappeared, it likely means he's really into Looksmaxxing and self-improvement. Because hanging out with friends wastes a lot of time, and people with high vision would rather spend their time alone. 5. Started to talk about Looksmaxxing. A friend of mine keeps talking about self-improvement and Looksmaxxing all the time. What do I do? I mean, come on, bro. That literally means you've got a chance to join him. If your friend has started Looksmaxxing, this is your best chance to start. So, these are the signs to spot if someone is a beginner Looksmaxxer. After noticing and finding someone with these signs, you'll never feel alone and lonely ever and have a company in your journey. Good luck with your Looksmaxxing journey.